welcome back to my channel. So my name is Cynthia. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back as well to all of you fellow subscribers. Really exciting video today. A few of you guys have been asking me in my DMs, questioning when the next beauty egg collection will be released. If you'd known, if you're a previous subscriber, then you've known that I had filmed a video for the unboxing last year for the 2018 edition. I'm also going to be doing it for this year, for 2019. So yeah, the beauty egg collection is now available to purchase as of the 1st of April, which is today. Happy April Fool's Day, everybody. I hope you didn't get April Fool's too badly. I certainly did, but that's a story for another day. We're gonna get over that. But anyway, I've got a really exciting video for you guys today, and I'm unboxing this year's edition of the beauty egg collection. Products in last year's beauty egg collection was just incredible. Like, the products that we got were outstanding, and I kindly got gifted this beauty egg collection by Lookfantastic, so just want to say a massive thank you to the PR team there. I'm so grateful. Just, you know, the opportunities that I get just through blogging and doing a bit of YouTube. And yeah, today anyway I bring you the unboxing of the beauty egg collection. It's really exciting. The box is actually the same as last year's box, so you would have seen in the previous thumbnail that it looks just like this. The contents of the box is worth over £250, which is insane, but it only actually retails for £65. And I believe if you're a subscriber of the beauty boxes, if you're a monthly subscriber of the beauty boxes, I do unboxings of those. You can also go check those out. I'll leave everything linked below. Then you'll get £10 off of your purchase for the beauty egg collection, which is amazing. So that will make the box £55 for you. So yeah, I would really recommend doing that, because that will make the total savings of the box about £195 for you if you're a subscriber. I think you've got to do something like either a free 6 or 12 month subscription. I'll leave all the information for that link down below. I'll leave a link so that you can go and check the box out for yourself if you want to go and subscribe. Oh yeah, you can also use my code CRBEAUTYEGG for free next day delivery, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, if you guys want to check all of that out, after the video you decide that you want to purchase the box either for yourself or maybe a loved one as a alternative sort of Easter surprise or present / gift, then yeah, I'll leave all of that information linked down below. But let's get into the interesting bit and unbox what's inside this amazing box. I mean, look at it, it looks amazing. So inside, actually, you get 7 different individual eggs, and inside are full size products. So I'm just going to go through and pick randomly and unbox these. I'm also going to refer to throughout this video the beauty egg collection sort of little pamphlet that they give you. Just describes a little bit more about the products that are inside, and already I can see some amazing brands. So let's get on with it. I love the packaging that the products come in individually. They come in these sort of eggs, and yeah, I just find it really exciting. It just adds to the effect of Easter and everything. And I mean, you can recycle these as well. I probably reuse them on my younger brother. He's only about 12 years old, so he's, you know, he's still into the sort of Easter egg hunts and things like that. But obviously if you have kids and things like that too, then you can also just use it as like part of an Easter egg hunt. So I think that's really cool there. But anyway, the first product that we have inside is from bareMinerals, and it's a Good Hydrations Silky Face Primer. Ooh. Now, I've never tried any bareMinerals sort of makeup before, apart from maybe like a setting powder off of my friend or so, but yeah, I've heard that they're a really good brand. And in here, it actually says, to achieve a smooth makeup application with this hydrating makeup primer, enriched with hyaluronic acid, glycerin and coconut alkynes, this formula replenishes moisture to improve the wear time of makeup. With a soft focus effect, this primer reduces the appearance of fine lines and pores, giving the complexion a flawless finish. So yeah, really exciting to using that. Yeah, I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand just to see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes out this sort of like white milky texture colour, really thick and creamy, and it just fades into your skin immediately. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that. Does it have a smell? Okay, it has some sort of like a nice smell, but I can't tell if it's just my perfume. So yeah, it's a 30ml product that you get. It's full sized. It retails on the website for about £25 on Lookfantastic. So yeah, that's the first product. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Inside we have a product which is from Laura Geller. I don't know how to pronounce this. I've tried one of their highlighters before, and oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Here we have a Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops, and I believe different Beauty Egg collections get different shades, so there's like a variety on the front here. I've got Ballerina, and it says it transforms dull and lackluster skin with these highly concentrated, ultra pigmented, liquid multi-use illuminator drops. Formulated for ultimate versatility, these can be used on bare skin, blended with moisturiser or foundation, or layered for the ultimate glow. So I probably use this more as like a highlighter. I'm obsessed with highlighter. It's like one of my makeup products that like I have to use day in and day out. Okay. Oh gosh, it's quite awkward to use. I don't want to spill it, and clearly you don't really need that much. So I've just put a little drop here, and oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. I don't know if you can quite tell on the camera if it's, you know, the lights sort of affecting it, but oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Yeah, really excited to use that. Really excited to use that. I've never really used or got into illuminator drops before, so it'd be quite nice to experiment. I might even give it a use, and as the pamphlet did say, to mix it in with your moisturiser, so it gives you more of like a dewy look all around your face. So yeah, that would be really nice for summer. I'm really impressed with that, and you get about 15 millilitres in here. It's full size yet again, and it retails for about £21 on the Lookfantastic website. So yeah, so altogether we've already got, so far we've already got about £46 of products worth, and we're only on the second product. So let's move on. That's quite satisfying, that noise. Okay, so the next product that we've got is actually something from the brand Foreo. Now, I recognise this because I've actually used this before previously. I had like the darker pink one in like a fuchsia colour, kindly gifted by Lookfantastic before when I went to one of the beauty set auditions. And yeah, really exciting product to have. I know that this product actually retails for around £29, so already we're over the mark, the retail price of the actual Beauty Egg collection. I think we just brings us up to about £75 off the top of my head, if I'm a good accountant. Yeah, anyway, so inside here it says to transform your skin with this ultra portable facial cleansing device with the Lunar TM Plays 1 minute ritual. Perfect for all skin types, this facial brush encourages healthy skin, a travel-sized device combining T-sonic pulsation technology with Foreo's signature silicone touch points. This device cleanses and exfoliates in just one step. With a dual zone range, somebody is driving at quite a speed, can you hear that? With a dual zone range of silicone bristles, thicker bristles help perform an intense cleanse, while softer, thinner bristles cleanse sensitive or normal skin. Easy to operate, this 100% waterproof device lasts up to 100 uses. Really excited about using this. I loved the use of this before. Unfortunately, mine has had its time. It's done its over 100 uses, so it no longer works. And that's the actual only downfall about this little facial cleansing brush, is the fact that you can't recharge it or change the batteries. But it's cool because you get to take this along with you if you travel a lot, and if you like having that sort of facial brush within your cleansing routine. I certainly do. It's very therapeutic by the end of the day. But yeah, so I've got this light pink version. I'm not sure if you get a combination of colours, but it might just be this pink one that you get. So yeah, that's really exciting. But like I said, I already know it's really good because I've tried it before. But it gives you like the opportunity to see if you would like this facial cleansing brush, and you can upgrade to one of the more advanced Foreos where you can actually where they're actually rechargeable. But yeah, the only downfall about it is that you have to throw it away after 100 uses, which is a shame because it's such a good cleansing brush. Okay, so moving on to the fourth product. Inside here we have something from the brand Aroma Works. Now, this is an anti-aging formula, bioactive, absolute eye serum mask for all skin types. Excellent. And it comes in this full-size bottle here, and I think you get Does it say how many millilitres we get in there? We get 20 mils of this, so that's plenty for an eye serum. I suffer really badly from dark circles, and I'm only 21. I just turned 21 about 2 weeks ago. And yeah, I'm already starting to age, so this will really come in handy. Now this says it rejuvenates the delicate eye area with this fast absorbing anti-aging formula that smooths and moisturises skin. Enriched with bioactives, this serum minimises the appearance of dark circles and wrinkles, with hyaluronic acid plumping the skin. Oh my god, that is brilliant. Really looking forward to the use of that. This actually retails at £36 again, online for full price. So it brings us up to about just over £110 worth, and we're only on the 4th product. We've still got 3 more to go, guys. Up next we have this golden egg. Product number 5 is this product from Elemis. Now it's a Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix Wrinkle Smoothing Night Cream. How wonderful. I absolutely adore the brand Elemis. Already used a few of their skincare products before, thanks to Lookfantastic, and they're an insanely great quality, and the price really does reflect that, which brings me on to the next point. Had to Google the amount that this was worth, as this was a 30 milliliter product sample, whereas the full size version is actually 50 milliliters. So I got that a little bit wrong. Not all of the products inside the Beauty Egg collection are full size, but they're more or less, some are the full size and some are more or less almost full size products, so you get a decent amount anyway. But the full size amount retails for about £145. And that's a 50 milliliter product, and this one is 30 milliliters. So I did the bit of the maths, and it's about £87 for this product individually, so that is absolutely insane. So that already brings us up to pretty much almost £200. I'm going to do like a running total, I'm going to do like a ground total of how much everything is worth, just to make sure that, you know, we're getting at least £250 worth of products inside of here. But anyway, it says that the revolutionary anti-aging cream that uses the maximum concentrate of power marine extract, Padina pavonica. This daily cream transforms the skin with ingredients that fight against free radicals. This cream's antioxidant properties lift and hydrate the skin. So really excited about this product. Such a great brand, and oh my god, I just could not believe the price of it when I was just doing a bit of research there. That's like insane. I mean, like even that product, just enough to kind of make you want to purchase this box already. That is crazy. Okay, so moving on to product number 6. Inside here we have a rather interesting looking product. And oh cool, it's an Erno Laszlo New York sort of soap facial bar. I believe we got like a mini version of these in a previous Lookfantastic beauty box collection, so excited to have the full size version here. And I love the fact that it comes in like this little holder, because I had a bit of a problem, like, because I just like to keep it on the sink so that I use it. I don't know where else, but I don't have like a holder for my soap, and it just keeps slipping around and getting messy. But I love the fact that they've given you like a case to keep this large one in. That's a really nice effect, and it's a pretty one too. So it says here, it's a sea mud deep cleansing bar. Harness the therapeutic benefits of dead sea mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar containing 26 minerals. This bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant, containing glycerin. This bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. So really good product there. I know Laszlo is another luxurious skincare brand. So yeah, let me just check the price of that. Okay, so the cleansing bar actually retails at around £30 on the Lookfantastic website. So we are talking like a luxurious skincare brand here. I mean, £30 for a bar. So it is insanely a great quality, and what's even better is that you can use the Foreo mini lunar cleansing brush along with this bar of soap to really cleanse your skin and really get into your skin. So yeah, that's really good, and I'm just shocked at how much these products are full price, and the fact that you can get them all in this Beauty Egg collection for so little money. It's ridiculous. Okay, and last but not least, let's unravel what's inside this Beauty Egg. So we have 2 products here, and they're both hair care products from the looks of things. So here we have a Wow Color Security Shampoo, the Ultimate Dream Clean, sulfate free, and then we also have a Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, magically transform texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. Excellent. So over here it says refresh hair from root to tip with this gentle cleansing shampoo that eliminates impurities without over drying hair, catering for coloured hair. The shampoo is utilised with a Japanese amino fortified complex to prevent breakage and dryness. Excellent. Achieve a sleek finish with the Supernatural Spray, a silicone-free spray that combats frizz, controls moisture levels and humidity-proofs hair. Guaranteed to not leave hair greasy or weighed down, except smooth hair that is frizz-free for days. Absolutely amazing for the summer. That is absolutely brilliant. And here you get sort of like travel size versions. So you get 50 millilitres of the Supernatural Spray and 75 millilitres of the shampoo. Now I quickly looked this up on the internet just to find out what they roughly priced at. And the spray is £12.50 on the Lookfantastic website. And the shampoo travel size retails for around £9. So quickly, I'm just going to go and do a running total of everything, just so that we can clarify that this box is worth £250. Okay, so I've done an overall running total calculation, and from what I've calculated from the full prices on the website, there was only one that I had to sort of calculate, which was the Elemis product. It retails for £145, 50 millilitres, and I calculated that for 30 millilitres it was actually worth around £87, which brings us up to a running total of £249.50. So it's just like 50 pence off. Well, I'm sure they'd probably upmarket the price a little bit more, but that's just what the calculation I made from the full size product. You know, worth within millilitres. But yeah, so pretty much you do get your £250 worth of products in there, which is absolutely insane. And what a great bunch of products as well. Some really cool brand names in there that I recognise, some that I've used, some that I've heard of, some that I've never heard of before, and I'm like really excited to try. So yeah, I'm gonna have like a blog post review coming up on how I get on with these products. Give it a few days so that I can test and trial them out, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But thank you so much guys for watching. What a wonderful unboxing this was. I'm so delighted with all of the products that are inside, and hopefully now that you guys have seen the products and I've spoken about them a little bit, you might also be interested in purchasing this box for somebody, or maybe even treating yourself. So yeah, I'll leave everything linked down below, including my code, including the links to get to the Beauty Egg, which you can go and purchase it. Like I said, retails for £65. You've got £250 worth of products in there, which is insane. You've got a saving of £185. And if you want to subscribe to the monthly beauty boxes as well, you get £10 off the purchase of this, so you'll get a savings of £195, which is, oh my god, like that is just ridiculous. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and to join me on my next video. If you guys wanted to see what was in the previous year's box, I'm also going to leave a link to that video down below so that you can compare the products that were in last year and what they're like this year, etc. A great bunch of products there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your day, evening, morning, whatever time of the day it is that you may be watching this, and hopefully you'll join me on my next video. So thanks so much for watching again. Bye!